welcome to the Paper Snob. This is Tara. Today I am working on Layout Library. This is a monthly hop on the last Saturday of the month. It's hosted by Linda, the scrapbooking photographer. She gives us a theme each month, and for February it is flowers. So I have some flowers that I stamped at the beginning of the month. My pattern paper has flowers on it, so I've got that. I'm also combining this with the acrylic stash busting hop. Today I've got Fawnies on the 9th. I bought these on Etsy. She has a shop on Etsy. It was before I really knew about color cast designs, so I found those. And then this is a Bella Boulevard title that says Play. And I've got 3 photos of my little granddaughter here to go ahead and scrapbook. So I'm going to get that done. This is also going to be part of the How to Kill a Kit with Style series. This is from my February kit. These items are not from my March kit, which also goes live on my channel today as well. So I'm going to pause, I'm going to get started, and I'll be right back. All right, I kind of misspoke about my How to Kill a Kit with Style / counterfeit kit challenge blog kit for March. It does not go live today unless you are Eastern time or Central time. It goes live at midnight Eastern time on the 1st. And that means that I posted on my channel on the 28th at 10 p.m. because of my time zone. Anyway, so I am trying to use that one last floral scrap from my February kit. And then I cut off a piece of the black to go ahead and mat it. And then I'm going to mat it a second time with that cardstock. I pulled that cardstock out to play with my February kit, and it's just kind of been hanging out all month instead of me putting it back in my blues. I have these thick files that I keep my 12x12 paper and my 12x12 cardstock in by color. And I just haven't put that one away. So I thought, let's just use it. It's the right color. So what I'm doing now is I'm kind of measuring to see how big or how wide those photos are, and then I'm just going to cut them down into squares. And then I'm going to mat them a second time, or the photos for the first time, with the same blue cardstock. And that way that gets that cardstock mostly used. I don't think there's very much of it left at this point. Not enough to keep, that's for certain. So I matted it with a little space in between, stacked them on top of one another, and put the close-up of her little face in the center. And those are going to just kind of go down in the middle of this layout. This layout goes together very quickly. It's pretty easy to do when you've already got the embellishments chosen, and I broke my title trying to take it off, but when these acrylic titles break, they're very easy to put back together when you glue them down, unless you shatter them. And I haven't done that yet, but that's always a fear. So these flowers I mentioned I created at the beginning of February. I did these for the Stamps and Stencil Savvy Hop that I participate on the first Saturday of every month. And our prompt for that hop this month was to stamp and color an image. I chose flowers. So next month we'll have a different prompt for the Stamp and Stencil Savvy Hop, but I'm trying to use up a few more of these little flowers. I love Pink Fresh Studio flowers, stamps, stencils, and dies because it makes you still get a little bit of creativity in by coloring them in and stuff, but it's great to have little embellishments, set aside. So I'm just kind of putting my little hearts on here, just putting a few here and there. I'm not going to put a whole bunch of them on here. They're not all quite the right color for this layout, but they do work really well for this layout, surprisingly. I am pretty happy with how all of that turned out. Now, when I pause, I'm going to grab some labels for journaling. All right, I got this layout completely done. Off camera, I, of course, glued everything down. I added some of the smaller flowers here. And then I took 3 long Pretty Little Studios labels that I had in my label binder, cut them in half and put them along here to put my journaling on. And it's all finished. I want to thank you for coming to my channel today. I really appreciate those of you who take the time to like, comment, and or subscribe. If you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click that button down below. Make sure you check out my description box for the playlists for How to Kill a Kit with Style, the playlist for Layout Library for this month's theme of flowers. Quite a few flowers on here, not a bunch. My photos don't have anything to do with flowers, but I love how this turned out. It was simple and fast, and got some acrylic used, which is also going to have a playlist linked down below. I hope that you guys have a great rest of your Saturday. Bye.